Hello, this is Ahmed with another Excel lesson. In this lesson, I would like to introduce you some text formula in order to create criteria in Excel. Let's me to introduce concatenate. Concatenate is a very powerful tool to combination the text in Excel. With concatenate, you can add many texts to other easily with only use Excel separator. This is combination of these texts. You can add many things to concatenate. For instance, if I want to create good concatenate, header, fix, use the rows, header, fix, use the rows, if I want to prepare some sorted text, I can add some other information to my concatenates. If I use wrap text, you can find it over here. I should change the place of it. I use it for better and organizing the text. Okay, this is the way of use concatenate. So I copy concatenate and paste it over here and go to the meet the powerful tools for separating the text. Meet include 3 sections. The section 1, you can set up the text and select the text. You select the text and start the number of characters you want to separate the text. I use character number 5. And how many characters? I use 5 characters. This is the result. Okay? Usually it's work for organized characters. For instance, in this sample, my first characters over here let me to count by length. My 17 first character from left side is including only activity ID. So if I use meet, select the text, start from character number 1 to 17 characters. This is my activity ID. I divided my activity ID from other activity names. For second instance, I use meet. For this cell, start from character number 80 and 100 remaining character. This is my activity name, and if I want to change it, I can change it over here. Okay, and this is the use of meet. And right and left. Right and left is very easy. You can use right and select your text, and how many characters from right side? 5. This is the 5 character from right side. This is right. What is the left? Left, you select the text. How many characters from left side? 5. This is the 5 left characters from this cell. And if you want to count the quantity of characters, you can use len. Select your cell, push the enter. This cell includes 6 characters. If I use it right and change the character to the 6, and left, change the character to the 6, both of them give me the same result because this cell includes 6 characters. Okay, I hope this lesson is useful for you. Thank you for your attention. Please keep in touch with my LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram for further lessons. Thank you.